you have to follow up after an interview. And even after dropping off your resume. You know, it's really important that you can deliver your resume to a specific person if you have a contact within the company, and then follow up with them and make sure that they've given it to a recruiter.
Something brief, professional, to the point. Also reiterating your interest.
I do get a lot of emails, and I think that in that email you should, not only sort of re-emphasize what your interest is and why you think you would be a good fit, but you should also put some questions in there. First of all, that prompts someone in my position to actually, to write back to you, and we have a correspondence going.
Through phone call, through email, I think personal would be best, but a phone call is also personal, just so I can hear the voice, so it's not through a text message, through an email. I know where they're coming from.
HR people are very busy, so it's sometimes difficult to respond all the time, but I think the follow-up allows that HR person to remember you.